Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here at the Muslim Fest. It is a beautiful festival arranged by the Muslim Fest. I hope you all come here and enjoy. And I'm going to be showing you all the small stalls and the stores that have come up here. They're so beautiful here. I'll give you the addresses of all of them. This is the Yemeni culture banner. They have set up a booth here. They're displaying the Yemeni culture dress and other items that they have here. This is the address in case you want to visit the Yemeni shop. And at the back you have the Yemeni flag. These are our Yemeni brothers. You are
Yemeni.
and you are name?
My name is Maher from Yemen.
Can you tell us something about the shop
we
here?
can tell you about this one, the door of Sana'a,
Okay.
the capital country in the old country. Built it in I think 10,000 years ago,
Okay.
and still to now is still built now.
It's called the Gate of Yemen.
Yeah.
It's an old
The Gate of Yemen.
Yeah, in the
Okay.
capital of Yemen, Sana'a.
Yes.
It's called the Gate of Yemen.
Okay.
And this
And
one,
this, yeah.
they make it with the hands.
Hands.
Yeah, which was saving the eggs and the breads and like that stuff. Saving here, and this one is.
This is a food truck here. It's called Accent. They have good items to eat here. This place is called Axe Inn. Axe RXN. And they are located in Oakville and they do programs all over. They have a food truck here, as you can see. And they are doing this. Thank you so much. This is the stall by Daisy Tastes, and they have set up a stall here. These are the items they have. Very tasty and very mouth-watering. I'm sure you would love to have this. So this is the phone number and the Instagram of the Daisy Tastes. They are home-based business, so I highly recommend you support them and promote them. Please, thank you. This is Chicken Horse. This is located in Markham Road, just in the same plaza as the Bamiyan Kebab. And I just tried their combo. It's a $13 combo with the chicken burger and the chicken leg and the drink. It was very nice. I definitely recommend you to go to this place. They also have children's floatables here to play around. It's very nice. Children are enjoying. Still people coming in. The Dawa Net also has a booth here, and These are the activities they do to promote. You can go online and check them out. The one at link. The Islamic Comprehensive. They also have a booth here.
The Quran, it will be sadaqah jariyah for you.
Sure.
It's for men, for youth, for everybody.
So these are the, as the sister just said, these are the three. Just go ahead, you can say.
Okay, these are the courses that we are offering for the Scarborough location, for the Mississauga location, and inshallah there are different courses, small, short, tafsir, they're the word-to-word translation, inshallah. You can look into them and inshallah you can find it according to your designation.
Okay, great, thank you. These are the books which you can get here in the booth, and this is the Institute of Al Huda, and you have their number there. For further questions, you can call that number. The Tooth Corner also has a booth here, and this is the information. Sister here said they have 38 locations, so please go to the website and find out for the location that's nearest to you. Today I'm here with the Muslim hands in the Muslim festival, and here we have the brother. Assalamu alaikum. Can you please tell us, Sayyid?
The events and volunteer coordinator at Muslim Hands Canada.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, please tell us something about the Muslim Hands Canada.
Muslim Hands Canada is an organization based out of the UK. It's been in Canada for about 4 years, and we're a humanitarian service. We try and provide relief to any country that needs. We have many appeals, such as emergency appeals like Yemen and Afghanistan. We also have appeals called Motherkind and Gift of Sight. Motherkind is an appeal that helps mothers that are pregnant and need medical care so they can give birth to their baby without any birth defects or something goes wrong in childbirth if you don't have the right medical attention. And a lot of them die during childbirth. So we try our best to bring doctors out and help them. Majority of them are in Mali and Pakistan. Gift of Sight is an organization, or it's an appeal that helps cure blindness. So 80% of blindness is curable. We try our best to make sure that we're getting cataract surgery done in villages that don't have access to these areas or these things. So we try and get them cured from blindness. I mean, I'm here to try and create a local presence in Canada. For the past 4 years we've been here, we've been just making sure that we get our donor list up, and we've been getting our international appeals noticed. So that came from a lot of search engine stuff and Google AdWords, but now we want to do more local things, give back to the community. Every Muslim organization, every Muslim community, has so many things that they need to address, and we just want to be there to help them as much as possible. Which is why we're here at Markham today, to talk about the Muslim community and see where we can help locally, and also to get donors internationally, inshallah.
That's excellent. You've been doing a wonderful job. May Allah bless you all, continue to shower His blessings on you, and may you reach what you're achieving for and beyond that, inshallah. Thank you so much for the information. So if somebody wants to get in touch with you, they can call this number, right?
Yes, muslimhands.ca.
Yes.
And if you do want to reach me personally, it's Sayyid, Syed, Ahmed, Ahmed. So Sayyid.Ahmed at muslimhandscanada.ca.
That's great. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alhamdulillah, this is a website run by a family, and it's about Jennas family friends, and that's the YouTube channel, the Facebook, and the Twitter. Let's meet with the main man, and his name is Malik. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. This is Abu Jannah Abdul Malik Watson from Jennas Family and Friends. This is our book. We do nasheeds on YouTube. We do nice Islamic cartoon songs for kids on YouTube. We also write nice books for kids. We are going to be here at Muslim Fest at Darul Iman in Markham all day. We're going to have a performance at 5 o'clock with our costumes, these characters right here. So please come and see us. See us on YouTube, Jennas Family and Friends, JANNAHS Family and Friends. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Today also I'm here at the Muslim Fest, where the National Council of Canadian Muslims have a booth, and I would like you to hear more about their efforts and their projects through Brother Zakaria. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Can you please tell us something about National Council of Canadian Muslims?
Walaikum salam, walaikum salam. Alhamdulillah, we're here at Muslim Fest. National Council of Canadian Muslims is here. We have a booth. Alhamdulillah, we're the leading organization in Canada that's fighting for Muslims' human rights and against Islamophobia on the education level, on the legal level, in schools, even if it's in the workplace. Muslims can come to us and we can help them, provide them with legal aid. Alhamdulillah, we've connected over 800 education seminars. We have the largest piece of anti-Islamophobia legislation in the entire world, which we're working to pass with the government. So please come down, support us. Support us on our website, nccm.ca, and jazakallah to our brother for helping promote us and this video. Jazakallah.
Thank you so much. May Allah help you with whatever you're doing. May He shower His blessings on you, and may you reach goals beyond your dreams. Thank you.